Hey everybody, it's Mary back from maryberrystudio. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and my second ever studio vlog. I'm so happy to have you guys here, and I'm happy that you guys enjoyed my first studio vlog. I was really nervous putting it out there because being in front of the camera makes me really nervous, so I'm still trying to get used to being on the camera and showing my face, but you guys were so positive and really made me feel comfortable, so I'm excited to get started with this new studio vlog. I also decided to part my hair in the middle today, and we're seeing how we feel about it. I think I like it though, but I think I need to trim these bangs in the front, maybe a little shorter, maybe a little bit of fringe bang action. I don't know. I definitely want to take a few inches off of the end. Oh yeah, that looks cute. So we'll probably cut my hair today as well, but before we do that, I have some stuff that I want to get done. Let's go take a look at my bullet journal so we can remember what we have to do today. Also, do you guys like my earrings? They're little heart lollipops and I think they're so adorable. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so looking at my bullet journal for today is actually Thursday, and we're going to be doing what I wrote down for Wednesday instead. And the reason is because yesterday was just one of those days where I was trying to do stuff and nothing was really sticking. I just kept getting distracted and I could tell I needed a break. So Wednesday I took a break instead. So today we will be doing what I wanted to do yesterday. So I want to do some test prints of the Strawberry Cat vinyl sticker that I made in the last studio vlog. So we're gonna see how the colors look, and we're gonna test out printable vinyl for the first time. So we'll see how that works. I already finished editing my studio vlog and I actually posted this morning, so yippee. I also want to do the hair trim, and then I have a discussion board post for my nutrition class, and then I want to work on my washi tape design that I'm making. I don't know whether it's going to be put into production soon, but I just want to work on making washi tape designs because I think they'll be really fun, and if it looks good, maybe I'll get it made. So exciting. Guys, okay, so the postman just came and he brought 2 packages for me, and they are both for my shop. The one is just computer paper, so not really exciting, but the other one is custom tissue paper that I made with no issue tissue paper. They had reached out to me and asked whether I wanted to make custom tissue paper for my sticker orders, and I was like, heck yes, yes I do, sign me up please. So it just came in the mail, and let's unbox it. I'm so excited. This looks so good. Oh my god, look at the strawberry. I love it. So I just finished my first ever washi tape design. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I like the colors. The only thing I'm not crazy about is that in the pattern, these two ended up lining up right next to each other, so I'm not crazy about that, but in the grand scheme of things, I don't really think it matters. It does look a little more sparse over here, but that's probably just the maximalist in me talking. So the next part is talking to a manufacturer if I want to get it made and getting a quote for the price, which terrifies me. Because you don't know whether things are gonna sell or not, and I'm not quite sure if my shop is like at the level of offering something as big as washi tape. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm making this memo pad and I am trying to add lines to it, and I want the lines to be college rule spacing. So I'm trying to figure out what that would be. I looked it up and it should be 7 centimeters between each line. Okay. There's probably an easier way to do this, but I like to live life in hardcore mode, so this is how we're doing it. This is inches, we need centimeters. Okay, this is already 7 centimeters, so perfect. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is the moment of truth. We are going to see whether printing on vinyl paper works. Okay, printer is gearing up. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh my god, it's working. These are a lot bigger than I thought. Whoops. Okay, let's take a look. Not too bad. There's some lines going through it a little bit. Okay, printer. Doesn't look too bad. I wonder if I can get rid of these printer lines. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I'm surprised. Good morning, everybody. It is actually the afternoon because I keep waking up really late because of quarantine. My sense of scheduling and time is very warped right now, so I've been going to bed super late and waking up really late as well. So the reason that I was up really late last night was because of this guy. I kept trying to get the print to look better, and if you guys remember from yesterday, it had these lines on it that were not exactly what I wanted. I don't think that I can sell something that has, like, you can see like the print line, like, you know how a printer like prints like that, if that makes any sense, like kind of like spits things out. You can see exactly where it did that on the print, and I don't think that's really acceptable quality to put onto my shop and sell. So I was trying to fix it. I did a deep clean of the print nozzle, I lined the print head, I cleaned the rollers, I replaced the ink that was a little bit low, did test prints on regular copy paper and it looked fine, but it just, these lines kept showing up. I printed it on regular sticker paper and the print looks awesome on regular sticker paper, but on the vinyl, it does not. So I don't know if it's this specific brand of vinyl that's not working, or because vinyl stickers are a lot slippier, is that a word? More slippery. Another issue that I was having other than the lines was that my printer wasn't grabbing the vinyl sticker paper from the little cassette or lower tray thing. And I think it's because the vinyl is too slippery, or like my printer doesn't sense it, is apparently another thing that Google is saying, but I'm kind of at a loss for what to do with printable vinyl. I ordered a sample on Online Labels because they sent out samples for free, which is really rad of them. So I'm waiting for that to come in. So I'm hoping that Online Labels works better than the vinyl that I got here. So fingers crossed. I did a poll on Instagram to see whether people prefer vinyl over like sticker flakes, like on my regular sticker paper, and it was about like 50-50, so it seems that people do want vinyl. So my only other option is to order or to outsource the stickers and order vinyl stickers on some website, but that can be a little bit costly. But if people want vinyl stickers, then I'll go for it. I don't know what I'm doing. Just clip up my hair. That's a good idea. Okay. There we go. All right, we're done.
Perfect. Pineapple.